Automotive OEMs and their supply chain have been at the forefront of adopting manufacturing excellence. As an industry, they are role models in embracing practices such as Lean Six Sigma and TQM. The impact, however, has been limited to localized initiatives. This, combined with disparate IT systems, vast amounts of process and quality data, remain siloed and not available across the entire ecosystem. Automotive manufacturers are now embracing digital transformation with the help of industrial IoT to break down these silos. Industrial IoT platforms such as Datonis by Altizon act as a manufacturing data lake that unifies data across your entire manufacturing value chain. This includes data across machines, control systems such as SCADA, DCS, or historians, and operation software such as ERP and MES. You can then put big data analytics and machine learning to work for driving data-driven manufacturing excellence. So in automotive manufacturing, industrial IoT is most effective in debottlenecking operations and controlling conversion costs. Some of the most important use cases include productivity, significant system-level throughput improvement with optimal conversion costs. Predictive maintenance, with extended asset life, reduced downtime, and reduced costs of spare parts and tooling. Energy and utilities, optimized use of utilities as electrical energy, compressed air, steam, and water. Quality, significant reduction in direct material costs and expenses owing to poor quality. Genealogy and traceability, with enhanced product compliance and expected failure analysis by tracing a part across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. Our customers, on average, see the fastest payback in productivity and quality improvement, followed by genealogy and traceability. So to help you get started with your digital transformation and Industry 4.0 initiatives, Altizon offers Datonis, a cloud-based platform suite. This suite consists of Datonis Edge, a platform for data acquisition from your machines and OT systems. The Datonis IoT platform that acts as your manufacturing data lake within the cloud. And Datonis Mint, a business application that provides ready-to-go KPIs and dashboards across use cases like utilities, productivity, predictive maintenance, and quality. So start your digital transformation journey with Altizon, and within 4 weeks, uncover opportunities for payback.